Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
I'm Lisa.
Our Simple Adventures. We're doing some exploring around Tucson. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
All right, what do we got here?
Well, this is a combination of city improvement and art. There was a local artist who designed this, and he wanted to bring nature into the city, into the artwork. And so he decided, or designed a bridge that is a rattlesnake, in the shape of a rattlesnake. And it is biologically correct, I guess, if that's the correct word. They painted it correctly, the correct colors. It has the red eyeballs, and at the other end it has the rattles.
Well, let's walk through. A pedestrian bridge that's a rattlesnake. And apparently, from our friends Jim and Lori, after they first built it, it wasn't high enough, or you can see how it goes down up here. Anyway, long story short, it got hit by a couple different trucks over the years, and one time almost tore it all the way down. They had to rebuild it. So sounds like they got that worked out. And people do use it. Get up.
Stadium over there.
What's that?
You see the U of A Stadium.
Oh. So yeah, something a little. We'll get down here to see the tail and go find something else to show you. Yeah. U of A. Doesn't really feel like we're in a snake.
No.
Oh, there's the tail apparently. With all the foliage around it, you really have to kind of be looking for it and know that it's supposed to be a snake. There's the rattler.
Yeah, pretty weird.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go find something else to show you.
Okay, so this is actually, the formal name is Mission San Javier del Bac, also known as the White Dove of the Desert. And you can see on the right hand side it looks like they're repainting it, going back to the real white again. This was built in 1692 is when it was founded by an Italian Jesuit priest, Father Kino, and was not finished though until the late 1700s when it was finally completed. So we are on the San Javier Indian lands, and so they're the ones that take care of this mission. And I guess they do lots of different events here.
They still hold regular church services too.
Yep, they do Mass on Sunday. They have actually virtual services online. So they still very active.
It's on the Indian reservation here, as Lisa said. They're requiring face masks, so we're not going to go in. But I can show you pictures right here of the inside.
I think it's the Dahan Indian tribe. If I'm getting that right.
And they have a school here too.
Yeah, last time I was here, there was nothing except for this mission. None of these buildings were around, except for anything that was the mission.
It's beautiful. We can see it from the I-19, you know, like 3-4 miles away. It's
especially when it's all white. It really just stands out.
Honor of the adventure. Okay, now we're at a place called Trail Dust Town. So what is this place?
This is just like a replica western town here in the middle of the city. It has a great, well, it used to be a great steak place. I heard it's kind of hit and miss right now. And just little local shops in here and kind of western-y stuff. That's about it.
Okay, let's go explore. You got a little
train ride.
little train that goes around here. I think it's Ghost Town.
Nope.
Millie's Pancake House over there. Tucson to Fort Yuma.
Apache Pass. Bypass quickly. Hostiles.
Late due to road agents. Late broken wheel. Okay. Well, they had ATMs back in the day too. Have not seen a soul anywhere. Pancho Villa, 1877 to 1923. $50 old. Shooting gallery. That dude sitting there. Closed.
There's the
Mass are strongly recommended.
see, this one doesn't open until 6 p.m.
Oh, okay.
So what must be?
It's about 1 o'clock right now. Yep, 5 p.m. Hey, kitty. Yeah, Pinnacle Peak Steakhouse. Yeah, that burned down.
Yeah, it did. And they
rebuilt it. Okay, stunt shows 7 and 8 o'clock. Yeah, we're way too early.
Yeah, it's a nighttime thing, I guess.
Let's go see this carriage here.
Which one?
This one.
First one?
This one. Trail down. Jail. I'm gonna go see this wagon over here. Well, I guess two people. Pretty tight in there. Well, there's the train schedule. That starts at 5:15. Walked right by the shoe shine place. Silver Dollar Saloon. Oh. It's like a cool saloon. Stagecoach. Do not climb on the stagecoach. Merry-go-round or carousel, whatever you call it. A Ferris wheel. Oh, look over here. It's a real old town. There's grass in Tucson. Nice grass too. Okay, this must be the okay. Yeah, this is real here. I believe anyway. Well, I don't know if they have plywood. See, that's got plywood. So, Rosie's place. At first I thought it probably was from way back in the day, but it's got plywood. They didn't have plywood back then. Barber chair. What's this place?
This is the Opera House. Oh. This is the cantina.
This was built in 1884. The Opera House. Mass strongly recommended indoors.
And here's a daily schedule. Hey, not much open on Monday. Everything was open on Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then...
Oh yeah, so tomorrow they're...
Monday's a horrible day. Everything's closed in Tucson on Mondays.
Yeah, we tried to... We were planning on going to a couple different places and found out they're both closed on Mondays. Don't open till Wednesday. So...
We'll try Wednesday. Another saloon, rifle saloon. Officers' quarters. Oh yeah, you can pan for gold in here too. Okay, it's stuck on there. So much for panning. Oh, we got, oh, there's a mine. Danger, nitroglycerin. Territorial office, another jail. What you in for? What you in for? Cat got your tongue? Kind of rude. Oh, there's a cat up there. See that? Oh yeah.
Kitty, kitty. Yeah, see that? See that cat up there? Kitty, kitty. Meow. All right. Cat got his tongue too.
On Mondays.
Yeah, we were going to take you guys to Franklin's Auto Museum, which they also have Indian artifacts. Closed. Opens on Wednesday to Sunday, or Wednesday to Saturday. And then what was the other place?
The downtown Presidio.
Oh, the Presidio downtown. Yeah, yeah, the same thing.
Whatever.
Same thing. Closed until the Wednesday.
Or even the planetarium closed on Mondays.
Yeah. Okay. Well, so much for Mondays. On to the next. Whatever. Okay. What'd you think? What'd you think of those?
A lot of fun. Brought back a lot of memories. I remember a lot of memories from those, except for the Snake Bridge. That was new. But yeah, San Javier Mission. A lot of memories going there, like during the Easter holiday and the celebrations, and Trail to Town. Hey, that was just fun.
Yeah, that Snake Bridge. That's kind of cool. But there's so much foliage and trees. Like when we drove under it before we went and parked there, and you couldn't even really tell it was a snake.
True.
I mean,
yeah, it was. Unfortunately, they need.
Yeah, so,
I mean, the trees and stuff are nice, but I think they need to keep it a little more trimmed around the bridge.
Yeah, if they want to show that artwork off. Yeah, the mission was cool. I wish they, you know, they had that scaffolding up
Yeah,
there. And,
unfortunately.
you know, paint it, right?
But they're looking like they're painting it back to the true white, which is because the nickname is Dove of the Desert, and so that's neat. They're going back to the true white.
Yeah, yeah. Trail dust. I mean, who knew that everything's closed? Any touristy thing is closed on Mondays and probably Tuesdays too.
Oh, a lot of stuff in Tucson. Yeah, I had no idea. Mondays, Tuesdays, forget it. Can't say anything.
If any of you Tucson touristy areas are watching this right now, I did open up. You'll get all the business because we didn't have anything to do for 2 days basically. But anyway, yeah, it was fun. New stuff. More to come from Tucson. Gonna wrap this up here. Love you guys. Appreciate you. God bless. Share this with a like-minded person. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we publish. We're publishing every few days. So anyway, love you. We will see you in a few days.
See you on our next adventure.